Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Anna Grichova. I'm an investment advisor and I communicate with extremely rich people very often. And today I would like to tell you about one aspect that can signal that you do something wrong in your life. I will tell you my story and maybe it is suitable for you too. So, there were some projects in my life, and I tried to reach several goals that were suitable for me for a long time, but after some period of time, I understood that maybe it is something not great, that I do something that is not so suitable for me, for my character, but despite the fact that I understood that I feel a bit nervous, that I do something dangerous and it is not great way how I should live my life, I couldn't stop myself and I continued achieving goals that I set a lot of years ago. I had at that time some valuables that were related to only to money and power, and that is why I did everything to achieve firstly these two aspects. Also, there were a lot of other aspects that I can remember now, and also my way of going to fulfill these goals was quite complicated one, so I communicated a lot with people who I didn't like because they were valuable for me for that goals, so they suited goals but not me at one period of time. So firstly, when I lived this life and started this way of making everything that is possible to achieve goals that I set some years ago, everything was fine and I developed myself and I saw the evolution, that I saw the progress, and I understood that, oh, I go and I will achieve this goal in some years. But then I started changing my character, my mindset, my experience. So I started meeting new people, facing challenges, seeing the dark side of my decisions, the problematic of that sphere, that projects that I was involved to. So when you think about something before understanding how it works in practice, it is more like theoretical aspect and you cannot understand the whole situation. And you can first think about something not as it works in reality. So firstly, you cannot see the problems, the challenges, all challenges with which you will have to face, difficulties. And after some period of time, after years, when I was very close to achieving these goals that I was interested in, I understood that now I'm not the same person as I was that years ago. I'm more adult, I have other priorities and something like that. And so, because of inertia, like in my native language, it is called по инерции. So I continued doing the same things that I did before because they were suitable for that goals that was important for me that years ago, at that time. And because of the fact that I didn't hear myself and my initial wishes and continue doing what is not suitable for me at that moment, I started being always ill. So the signal that can indicate that you do something wrong in your life, that you don't follow your initial wishes, is that you start being ill very, very often. And it can work not only when you set goals by yourself, but also there are a lot of cases when people started thinking that they should do this, that they should achieve this goal because of somebody's words, their parents, their society, and something like that. And so there are a lot of aspects that influence our life, and we can make decisions not only thinking about our initial wishes. And when we walk not by our way, when we do something that is not so suitable for us, all our body fights. And when you don't hear your initial voice, please don't do this, I don't like this, you will face procrastination if you continue doing what you did before, not thinking about laziness and procrastination. You will get sick very, very often, and it happened with me some time ago. So I was a bit shocked why I get sick each 2 weeks, and it was not once, not twice, not 3 times. No, it was very, very often. And after I shifted my attitude from that goals and started living otherwise, I became happier, and I stopped being sick. It is really, really strange, but I really think that our body helps us, and it can protect us from making mistakes. And if you face such situation when you always are ill, maybe you do something wrong in your life. Think about it. And it can happen when you don't like your job, for example. And I would like to highlight one aspect about energy. So when we do something that is not so suitable for us, the amount of energy that we have to spend on one specific like goal or deal would be extremely high. So when you do what you really like and what is suitable for you, for your character, for example, you will work hours and you will not feel that you're tired. Of course, you can sometimes be tired after very long period, after a lot of hours of hard work, but mentally you will always be satisfied. And I highly recommend you to think what is very easy for you in your life. So we are all individual people, and if for one person making videos, for example, is like a hardest level of his behavior, for another it would be like, oh, I talked a bit, but it didn't even take my energy. I'm more motivated now. And so when you choose what to do in your life, and when you, for example, did something for a long time and you understand now that, oh, it is something that is not so suitable for me, then I highly recommend you to think what is your strong part and what was given to you. So what is easy for you to do on a regular basis. And I know that for one person, like mathematics is very difficult subject, but for another it is the most um, interesting and easy aspect of the whole education. And it is like a mistake that very often parents do. They mm, like they force children to pay more attention to something that they don't like, because they want this child to be well educated in all aspects or in all subjects. But I highly recommend to see the talent and to put all your efforts into activity that is very easy for you, that on which you can spend a lot of your time, and then you will become the best. So nowadays people don't need any average experts. They really want the best, and you can't become the best if you are firstly wasn't like talented in this aspect. So practice plays essential role, but it can't replace the talent. And when you have talent and plus practice, everything will become very easy in your life, and you will be a well-paid specialist in reality. And this video is about choosing what to do in your life, and to understand that something is not suitable for me. And if you understand that something is not suitable for you, then you should find what is suitable for you. And so this video is like a first part is about understanding that maybe something goes wrong, and another part I answered the question how to change your life and find something where you would be a great specialist.